that I have to undergo a surgery.
我女儿告诉我，必须要经过一门手术。
So the doctor told me that I have to undergo 7 organs to be removed from my body.
No, how come 7?
Okay, because boss, when I was still working, I am always going back and forth to the hospital. I'm always admitted because I have this pain in my lower abdominal part of my stomach. And
So not only colon.
not only colon loss. So actually the main problem I had experienced was the pain in my lower abdomen. So when the doctor had this vaginal ultrasound, transvaginal ultrasound, it was found out and it was seen that aside from the problem of my whole uterus, there was an inflammation in my intestine. So actually I ignored the medication, and after 6 months, my son told me, "Ma, you have to go back to your doctor and have it checked," because my son was a nurse and he was having this review for his USRN NCLEX. And during the review time, it was tackled that a polyp can be a cancer or can be malignant or can be tumor after a while if you will ignore it. So after 6 months, I decided to go back to the doctor, and it was January of 2019. So I was examined thoroughly, and it was found out after 6 months that polyp, small polyp inside of my intestine was already malignant. Malignant means to say, boss, it's already a cancer in my intestine. So it was diagnosed. Yeah, after the biopsy, it was already diagnosed that I had colon.
Then how come other organ?
Yeah, because it was found out that my whole of my fallopian tube, ovaries, cervix, has this cyst, a lot of cyst, and it should be removed. And also the doctor told me that since my intestine was already malignant, it has to be cut. So 1 ruler of my intestine was removed to ensure that cancer will not metastasize. Okay? So after that,
So that means the cancer pick up with it. Other things also were affected. That's why it pick up together.
yes, boss.
Get package, promotion package.
Okay. During the surgery, I mean, before the surgery, my doctor told me, you have to have this money for the surgery. You prepare at least 150 to 250,000 pesos. So we did it. We were able to gather that amount. And yes, I was already ready for the surgery. My whole of my uterus was removed. The sigmoidectomy procedure, which means the cutting off of the colon of the intestine. And it was found out during the procedure. My appendix
Just let me know what kind of summary.
was like exploding. So the doctor also had this removal of my appendectomy. And it was again found out that my navel, my umbilical hernia has to be repaired. So all in all, first surgery, I had 7 organs removed. As you can see the pictures, a picture a while ago. After this surgery, 5 days after, my son noticed that I was so really weak, and even I cannot stand up to go to the toilet. And my stomach, my abdomen part was swollen. And my son told the doctor, "Doc, can we check the surgery of my mom? Because I noticed it's like she's getting weaker." So there was an examination done by the doctors, and it was found out that the intestine, the colon that was recollected, got a leak. Leak. So all the yes, boss. So all the dirt, all the particles inside of my stomach will lead to infection, and it will lead me to, I'm gonna die that time if I will not be reopened again. So 5 days after, the doctor decided that I have to be reopened. So they call it XLAP, means to say exploratory laparotomy, meaning they have to wash all my organs inside my tummy because all the dirt and all the poops was circulating inside of my abdomen, and it will lead me to death. So yes, when I woke up after that surgery, I had already an ileostomy, meaning the doctor made a temporary anus in my small intestine for me to poop in my tummy. So I cannot poop normally in my anus, so I have to poop here. So the doctor told me, just bear with it, and you will be okay after 3 months. So fast forward, that was January of 2019, my first and second surgery. After 3 months, I went back to the doctor. And I was so excited to have my ileostomy removed. The laboratory was okay, and I was ready to the colostomy, I mean the ileostomy to be closed. So after waking up, after the surgery has been done, when I woke up, I noticed and I had already again a colostomy. I had already a colostomy. That means to say, the ileostomy that was closed has again a complication that occurs in my abdomen.
The third surgery is still no complication.
So meaning, when I woke up, I had this colostomy back again. And
Can I tell what is the meaning?
I was so weak, boss. I was anxious. I don't know what to going to die soon. Because I know if we are a cancer patient, we do not know when to die and when to live again. So that time, when I was again diagnosed with complications, after having this colostomy bag, the nurses asked me if, have you urinated? Have you farted? Have you pooped? And my answer was, I was not able to fart for 24 hours. I wasn't able to poop for 24 hours, but I was able to urinate. Every single time I urinated, I found out that there is always some particles that will come out from my vagina. And I was worried and I told my son, what's happening to me? There is always a particle coming out from every time I urinate. And my son asked again the doctor, Doc, can you examine my mom? Because every time she urinated, there is always a lot of particles coming out from her vagina. And it was examined, and it was found out was that it was a poop coming out from my vagina. Because another organ was damaged inside my abdomen.
Why got damaged? It's during the surgery that
Maybe during the surgery, because as I recall, was the doctor told me that it is not allowed to have a surgery that is from 5 days from the major surgery I had during my first surgery, and then 5 days after the surgery happened again. So it was not
not recommended.
recommended yet.
They did.
But they did it because, of course,
There's no choice.
of that.
So after that, you go for the fourth surgery.
Yeah, I went to the fourth surgery and I had this colostomy again. So when I woke up,
The colostomy means there's a hole here.
there's a hole here and I will poop here in my tummy. And the doctor told me that let's have this for 1 whole year for your wound to be healed. So yeah, I went home with colostomy bag already. And during that day when I went home, somebody called me and told me that I am going to introduce to you a certain supplement and can we see each other. So I told Ma'am Des Palma, she is my upline or Tipilan Clinics, and forever grateful to this lady. She told me, and she didn't know that I was suffering from cancer that time. When I told her, Mom, I am suffering from colon cancer, and she told me, can I go to your house? So yes, she went to the house, and when she discovered that I was just lying in bed, she introduced Pure Deer to me. But when I asked the price, I really cannot afford because it was
How much is that?
all in all it's like 1.5 to 2 million.
I thought that
My
was
surgery.
25,000.
No, because it has a lot of complications. So the 250 suggested money from the doctor was not was really short because I had these complications.
Become 1.5.
Yeah. So I
At that time,
we
why is it that?
I was having only 20,000 pesos.
Wow.
And what we did,
How do you feel?
yeah, what we did with my family and my husband and my children, decided to sell our house.
When did you sell it?
Yeah.
To pay for the surgery.
Yes. So we sold the house. When we,
Carried away.
10 miraculous capsules.
Thank you, sir.
10 because that time, my son was really skeptical. He told me, Ma, don't take it. Because I know what stem cell is. Stem cell is the injectable one. I didn't hear any from a capsule form of stem cell. But I insisted, boss. I told my son, I have nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose. What if this capsule worked to me? So, I know that the proper taking is 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, but it's only 10. So, what I did was I took it 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. 3 days after taking it, my son noticed that my hair that was falling massively, because I was also suffering from alopecia, started to lessen the hair fall. And I noticed in myself that I was getting a very good sleep that time. And it started that my energy was coming back, my vitality was coming back. So since it's 10 capsules, my husband looked for ways to buy the 1 bottle. So that 1 bottle was taken by me, and 30 days after taking it, we went to bowling. We went to bowling, and it was posted in my social media that I was having this bowling, and my friends, especially the doctor,
1 month.
1 month was. My doctors cannot recognize me because they told me, oh, Wendy was like dying, and why is she 30 days after already playing the bowling? And the ball of the bowling is very heavy, right? So I was able to play that bowling, and my doctors actually insisted to have this chemotherapy and radiation. But I told my doctors, Doc, I cannot afford to go for chemotherapy because we do not have money anymore. And that was my decision, that I will not go to chemotherapy. Why? Because I don't have guarantee if I will live or I will die. So that pure tear gave me to regain back my energy, my vitality that time. But I promised my doctor to have this regular checkup, and 4 months after, after finishing the 1 bottle, my husband again and my family looked for a money to buy the 6-month therapy. So thank God, angels was sent to us, and somebody lent us money for the 135,000 2019. And after taking Pure Tear for 4 months, I had a very, very good result. Means my laboratory test, my tumor marker went into normal. So it was 2019 up until today, it's already 2026. I am still taking Pure Tear regularly because I know this product will protect my health lifetime. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to share to you that please, if you are sick today, do not ever delay it. Do not wait for yourself to have this cancer or to have this critical illness. You try and you have to protect yourself because our health cannot be replaced. Our life cannot be rewind.
So how is your house now?
Yes, thankfully, I am so grateful, boss, with Reway because we were able to get back and bought the house again to us. Through Reway. So I'm thankful and I really am so grateful, boss, for this company and for the product.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, boss.
Next one is